It's Miss Virginia Peekaboo.
Hi friends, it's Miss Virginia, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make dance ribbons just as I used in my Miss Virginia's ribbon dance. And the only thing you really need to purchase is a tablecloth, depending on the colors you want. Maybe you want 1, 2, or 3. And this one I only paid $1 for, so it's a very inexpensive way. I'm going to show you how you can make it for your entire classroom, or if you're having a party for your children or a birthday party. It's a very easy way to have fun and get them moving with very little money. So here's the table paper, and I'll show you here. I already made ribbons for when I did my fall theme ribbons. So I already, this was like this long, but you can see I used half of it already. But I'm just going to show you that I used a ruler, just like this, and just with a pen, went down, moved it all the way to the end. And then you need a really good pair of scissors that will cut through all the layers. And you just snip, snip, snip till the end. And each section will give you 4 long ribbons, or if you cut them in half and have a shorter dance ribbon, it will give you 8. But here, you can see here, it's sometimes a little difficult to separate them, but this should separate into 4. So if I can find the end here, let's see, I have, come on, 1, I feel one coming, here we go, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 ribbons, and you just separate them. And I'm going to show you how to attach them depending on what you use for attaching the ribbons. I have many different things I've used. Here's my Halloween theme ribbon dance. I used a wood craft stick. Oh, this is a bigger one, but all you need to do is attach your ribbons. This one was, I folded in half, so they're shorter. These are actually 2 black, oh no, this is the longer one. You can see how long it is. Oh, got tangled. But that's okay. So this is my Halloween themed ribbon. I attached 2 ribbons to this, and they're the longer ones. Oh, who doesn't get Amazon boxes at home? So what I did was I just traced this and then traced something else with a bigger circle and attach the ribbons to this. And this is great for little ones, toddlers, and you don't have to worry about them hitting or poking, and it's a safe way for involving your toddlers in ribbon dance. I made this with a pencil and a pipe cleaner. Just made a long part of the stem here and just wrapped masking tape around and then attached the ribbons. And this one I use in New Britain. Our high school is maroon and gold, so I made this a maroon and gold ribbon to do a ribbon dance. And here's one made with a mason jar lid. And what else? Oh, and in the video of my ribbon dance, I used a zip tie and a dowel, but you don't need to. You can use a pencil, or like you saw before, I use a pipe cleaner, and you can just take the long end of the zip tie or the pipe cleaner and wrap it around the dowel or pencil. And here I have one I made with primary colors, and this is a long ribbon. So I think I showed you most of my ribbons. Now I'm going to show you how I attach them. So if you're going to make shorter ribbons, so you take one of the long ribbons, and can you see me here? Get it right at the end. So I have it in half, and what I'm going to do is put it through the ring and then pull the ribbons out. Ta-da! And let me see what other color I'll use. How about an orange? Or I'll just do another red one to show you. So again, in half. All right, so I have that long ribbon in half. I'm going to put it through the ring and then going to catch those two ribbons like that and pull it. So here you have how you can attach them like this, or of course if you want to use the ribbon long as I have in here, this primary color ribbon, what you're going to do is just tie it at the end. This one I'm using for here we go. You see okay? Sorry, I'm kind of a messy creative worker. So here's the long ribbons, and I'm going to try to demonstrate to you the two sizes. Okay. So here's the long ones. Here's the ones I just tied at the end, or you can tie to the end of this. These are not the doubles. So these are all the single ribbons, but they're very long. And you can da 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 da. I know I should have patriotic colored one. Da 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 da. The shorter ones where I folded them in half, as you can see here, and brought them through. These I call my unicorn colors. And these are great for the little ones to use. And let's see, I'll show you my Halloween one. This was done with a craft stick, and it's a long one, but it got tangled. Uh-oh. Maybe I better, oh. One thing I should mention too, if you do this with your children, and they do get tangled, which does happen sometimes, I just tell them all they need to do is hold it up in the air and shake it, shake it, shake it, and they untangle. I'll show better with the shorter ones. So if they do get tangled, just shake it, 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 and look, they came untangled. Da, 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 da. Let's see, and I guess that's it. My Halloween one. This was made with the craft stick. You can see they all work beautifully. This is a long one too. Come on. There. Da, 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 da. This is a Halloween theme ribbon. And this was done with them folded in half, so they're shorter. And this is my, oh, let me show you this one. The Amazon box thing I attached to. And these are the shorter. These are the ones that were cut in half. Not cut in half, but folded and then just looped through like that. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed watching how you can make these at home for your students or for parties at home. Very inexpensive way to make dance ribbons. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bye.